Merry Christmas. I'm Shane.
I'm Kelsey.
And this is Dixie. And we're Love Hub for Life. We've now been on the road for 112 weeks.
112 weeks in this silly yellow house behind us. Right now, we are hanging out with a whole bunch of nomadic friends for the holidays. I hope you guys enjoy this video and all of the work that we've gotten done on this shuttle bus conversion this week. It's morning 877 on the road, and we're starting it out in Lake Havasu in Craggy Wash. This wash is actually one of our favorite places in the country to be, though we do tend to head a little bit further back into those hills, away from all of the overcrowding and sounds of generators. This week is going to be a little bit different though, because we are here hanging out with our buddy Jeremiah, and Shane is working on converting his shuttle bus. Hey Dixie, you ready to go see what Dad's up to? Let's go.
So, welcome to the shuttle bus. We are working on a ever-changing plan as to how much storage we can fit into this one little bus. Our plans keep changing. We do have 2 refrigerators that we're dancing around, and we're trying to decide if those will be swapped out for one large one, so we're trying to account for that, as well as we're putting in a desktop here, and we're going to make a pivot upward so you can still use these to get larger items in and out of the bus, and then we'll have storage going this way. With this particular bus, we were going to put upper storage cabinets like a lot of buses do, but this is a little differently built bus, and I feel more comfortable if we run our storage along the bottom as well as the owner, so that's what we're going to be doing.
Yeah, we've got a whole lot of really cool plans to make this bus a little bit more livable. Our friend Jeremiah has already been living in it for about 3 years, but not much is built in. So this week we're gonna change all that.
Y'all know I do like shuttle buses, but there are a few different types of designs, and the last one I did was a really cool one. The way they build it out, there's metal frame with some foam insulation on the inside, so it makes it super easy to convert. This one, on the other hand, is one of the dreaded ones. There's not a lot of these, but they do exist, and they use a type of manufacturing where they use fiberglass. This is basically cardboard and then more fiberglass, and they construct the entire shell of the bus out of it. How easy is it to build shelves into that stuff?
Apparently not so easy.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out.
Probably more than that on the other side.
Look, it's Havasu goats.
That's so awesome.
They're so far up there. Well, that's going to be our desktop here. We're about out of sunlight. Actually, it just dipped behind that rock, so we only got a few more minutes until it's kind of dark out here, so I got to get everything packed up. This is going to be our fold-down desktop. And then I was able to get this wall all secured, as well as the beginning of our storage going this way. We're going to be mounting a diesel heater right here, and our desk will fold down to catch the top of the diesel heater, and it'll fold back up so you still have the use of these really awesome big doors. You can get a whole couch in here, you know. But that's what I did today.
Very cool. Moving forward. The sun is going down. The full moon is coming up. And Mary and Zach have arrived. And the handsome boy Bear. Bear, come. Good boy. Yeah. Guys, I cannot tell you the level of happiness that it brings me to have these two vans parked outside of our window. God, I miss these guys. Well, y'all, we didn't get much of anything done yesterday except sitting around and hanging out with friends. This morning, though, Shane is already up bright and early, back at work on the shuttle bus.
Gluing and screwing, baby. That's what holds it all together. Glues and screws. I am finishing up this wall I built, and then I'm going to be attaching a desktop to the other side of it. So just getting it looking nice and pretty. So, got a little desk built today. I kind of had to just have it wedged in here at the moment. There's going to be hinges here, and it's going to hinge upwards. And a diesel heater will be going in this housing here, and a refrigerator will be going back here in this gap. Tomorrow, we go towards the ceiling.
Very cool. And this wall got finished today.
We couldn't really find any tongue and groove that we liked at the store, so I ended up making my own out of panels. So with the use of pocket screws, I'm able to put together a countertop. It looks really cool. It's got some big 12-inch pieces and some little 4-inch pieces in the middle. So once you stain it, the individual grains will really pop. It's gonna be pretty.
Very cool, Shane.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Check it out. Ha! You can still get big stuff in and out. We also have a box here for our diesel heater that's on its way somewhere. And now I'm going up and I'm building storage compartments here. So it's gonna be a neat little baker's rack looking thing. And I'll have a microwave as well as some storage for other little totes. Almost done.
Hey babe, it looks like you're running out of sunlight. It's already gone behind the mountain. How's it going in here?
Great, all done, with the exception of the fun part, filling in all the screw holes. I'm gonna make this one a smooth one, so I got several to fill in, but we got her all complete other than that. Ha.
Awesome.
Thanks.
I wasn't kidding though, you really are missing one hell of a sunset out here. Craggy Wash never disappoints.
Boy, there's gonna be a lot of sanding in the morning. We're done though, hooray!
And it's not totally dark. Pretty close though.
It's pretty close.
It is time to go and see what Shane's up to this morning. I'm just now crawling out of bed, But as I was opening my door, I saw that our buddy Mark has come to visit. Let's go see what the guys are up to. It's looking good in here, babe.
Almost done. A little more sawdust to make and we'll be.
A little more sawdust.
Good morning, Mark.
Good morning.
He's done it again, guys. Just in time for Christmas. Jeremiah and Molly are gonna be so excited when they get back. In the meantime, we are relaxing over here. And I'm getting a little bit of wire wrapping done.
I'm doing nothing. I'm contributing nothing to society at the moment.
Most of these will be handed out by the time that this video comes out, so it's okay to show it. But I am in the middle of making special wraps for Christmas presents for our chosen family because we are going to get to hang out with a big group of them for Christmas. And we are really, really excited about it. Hey, Dixie. Are you excited to see Bear? Dixie, do you want to see Bear? Hey, I thought we were done.
Christmas came early. The diesel heater arrived. Can't leave without putting the diesel heater in, right? So that's what we're gonna do.
I will say those diesel heaters are a very, very important part of any build. And I highly suggest getting one before you come out here because sometimes it's cold in the desert. It's been one of those weeks. See, are you helping Dad?
Yeah, great help. So we're doing something fun with this one. We've used a bulkhead exhaust fitting. I believe the application for this is for a boat. You know, boats and buses, they're the same thing. So we're gonna run the exhaust for this diesel heater out the side of the bus instead of down and poking out of a hole somewhere.
Smart.
Pretty.
We're all done for real this time and off to get a few supplies before hanging out with some more friends for the rest of the holidays. It's been a really, really fun time in Craggy Wash, and we've got a whole lot of fun left for the rest of this week.
The truck's gonna hit us!
I doubt that. Bye-bye, Craggy Wash. Well, guys, it's a little dark, but this is going to be home for the night. We are on the other side of Lake Havasu, and this bus that you see over here is Shane's next project. We've known Mary for about a year, and this bus is absolutely incredible. Shane is just here to do a few small projects, like installing another diesel heater right after Christmas. Right now, we're just visiting. Ehrenburg and the Chosen Family Tribe is all filing in. We still got a few more coming, but the party is already starting. Hey guys, say Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
A lot.
I mean, I feel like really no. The limit is the harness. Like, how many instruments can we attach to a contraption that allows him easy access? Three is easy. But
Guys, I hope that all of you had just as merry of a Christmas as we are having with all of our friends. We want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time to follow us along this far. If you haven't already done so, be sure and hit that subscribe button. All of you are important to us, and all of you are in our hearts during this holiday season.
If you got a minute, check out our other social media for a more in-depth view of our life, like Instagram and Facebook, both under Love Hut for Life. That's also a quick way to get a hold of us if you're looking for help with your conversion, or you can send us an email at
at lovehutforlife@gmail.com. And guys, if you haven't already done so, leave us a comment below, because that is the only way that we know you're watching. Peace out, guys. We'll see you next week. Have a good one.
Bye, y'all.